Sachin, how can I help you?
Hi, my computer is a bit slow and want to see if you could help me.
Certainly, sir. We will help you with that. And is it a desktop or a laptop you're using?
It's a desktop.
It's a desktop. And how old your computer is?
Uh, 4 years old?
4 years old. Okay. And since when you are facing this problem? Since when you are saying like your computer is running slow? How many days?
Last couple weeks.
Couple of weeks. All right. Now, before we proceed, I just need to confirm your number. Is it
Yep.
okay? And may I know your name, please? All right. Fine. And I would also like to inform you this call will be recorded for quality assurance and training purposes. All
Okay.
right. Okay. And to diagnose your computer, so with your permission, I need to take a remote access to check what exactly went wrong and why your computer is running slow. All
Yep.
right. So I
Okay.
believe you are in front of your computer and connected to the internet.
Yep.
All right. So I want you to open up with the Internet Explorer.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And top of the screen, where you see in the address bar where you see HTTP,
Mm-hmm.
erase everything from there. Make that space blank and clear.
Yeah. Yeah, it's clear.
And okay, and type www dot
Yep.
fast support. That's F like Frank, A
Yep.
like Alpha, S like Sam, T like Tango, S like Sam, U like Uniform, double P like Peter, O like Oscar, R like Roger, T like Tango.
Okay. Yep.
.com.
Okay.
Hit enter.
All right. So it's asking me for establish support connection.
Right. So you
Type your
can see there are two
name.
boxes: your name and support key.
Okay. What is the support key?
Okay. Support key is right. Yeah. Continue.
Yeah. Okay.
Now what comes on the screen?
It's launching a program connecting.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Do you want to join the session?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. All right. Here we go. I got the remote access of your computer. You can see the pointer is moving on the screen.
Okay.
Yeah, that's me. So I request you, Mr. Rick, now don't type anything on your computer. I need to diagnose and check what exactly went wrong. All right?
Okay.
Yeah, just be online. All right, now this is the issue where you can see the system, the events, the number is 896.
Yep.
Okay, this is all kind of error, warning and information. These are the infected files which are stored in your computer and which is not allowing your computer to run fast.
Are these infected files?
Yeah. See, this kind of infected files are getting downloaded in the background. So the moment you go online, okay, no matter you do online shopping or online transaction, playing online games or downloading music files or video clips, okay,
Yep.
or browse any other website. So the moment you go online, this kind of infected files get starting downloaded in the background, which we are not aware of. Okay, and the day comes like when they accumulated in such a high quantity that starts affecting the computer.
Hmm.
Like the computer will start running slow, or you might not be able to open up any of the applications. you will not able to browse the internet, or whenever you try to download, it won't allow you to download. Okay, this kind of infection starts affecting the computer.
How can you
Alright?
tell they're infected files?
Sorry?
How can you tell those are infected files?
Because this is the application where we need to check, alright, the application security,
Yeah.
and this is the events which shows this is the infected files. And just to make clear, we will also run a scanning, a complete scan of on your computer. Okay,
Okay.
it will show us. Just a moment.
Is it done?
Yeah, I'm just running a scan. Just give me a moment. Check for services. Now you can see on the services. Okay, the Microsoft applications. Some are in running status, some are in stop status.
Right.
Right. Okay. Now, if we just filter it out, you can see how many applications are in a stop position, stop status.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we need to, once this kind of error and infected files are removed, all these applications will get start running. Okay. So you will get your computer like a brand new computer, and it won't affect like on the speed, and everything will get smooth.
All right. So how much do you charge for this?
See, the diagnosing what I have done is right now is absolutely free. Okay. Now, but the charge, we do have Microsoft certified technicians who is going to work on your computer. You can see like on your screen what they are doing. Okay.
Yep.
And we are providing you with 12 months of service guarantee. Okay. Within this 12 months, if you found any of the issue, not the same issue, maybe any other problem on your computer, you
Yep.
can call back at any number of times at any point of time, because they are working 24/7. Okay.
Yep.
And for 12 months, there's only one-time payment of $259.95. That's it.
$295.
95.59. 259.95.
Okay. Is it from? Let me see. Are you working for this company, Tech Help?
Sorry?
Is this the company you work for, Tech Help
Yes,
365?
perfect. This is the company.
Is it located in the U.S.?
Yes.
Okay.
And you
Whereabouts
can
in the
see
U.S.
like
are you
over.
located?
Sorry?
Whereabouts in the U.S. are you located?
New York.
New York? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Well, thanks for doing that for me. Just want to review what we just did here. First of all, you showed me the event viewer, and these are not viruses. These are not infected files. The event viewer is something that is used by scammers and companies like you, apparently, to trick people. Are you aware of this?
Yes.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm listening you.
So the MS config that you showed me with the services tab. This again is irrelevant. This is perfectly normal. You also did a scan of my computer, which was kind of interesting. I think you used the tree view command or something like that, which is a default command in Windows that has nothing to do with scanning for malware. Are you aware of that?
See, my job is to just check, okay, and I'm a technical advisor, I'm not a technician.
Okay, well, if you're not a technician, then how can you tell me that these are viruses? I mean, if you don't have the knowledge, then how are you even telling me this? That's the thing I don't understand. I mean, I called you because I saw an ad on Bing. Actually, it was on Bing, yeah, that said, slow computer. Then I came to your site for a free diagnosis. With kind of an open mind to see what you were going to do with my computer. And then you started telling me that I had viruses, which, I don't, because this machine is actually clean. It's not even a real machine, it's a virtual machine. So it has no viruses on it, I can guarantee you that. You probably didn't realize you were in a virtual machine, but it doesn't matter. And I doubt that you're located in New York, but that's just a guess. So how do you feel about that?
Sorry?
How do you feel about doing this business of yours? Do you feel like you provide actual value to the customer?
No?
No? Do you have anything else to add, or do you want to pass me to your manager?
Certainly you can talk to him if you want.
All right.
Just a moment.
Hello?
Thank you very much for holding the line. James, my name is Prakash. I'm a senior supervisor. How are you doing today? Hello?
Hello? I can't hear you very well.
Alright, can you hear me, James?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Alright, now James, my name is Prakash. I'm a senior supervisor. How may I help you?
Yeah, I just called, your company for help on my PC, and one of your technicians essentially told me I had viruses on my computer, which I know is a lie because it's not even a real machine. It's a virtual machine, and it's absolutely clean. And he showed me the event viewer and saying that these were infected files. So I want you to know your take on this, if you have any.
Now I can just let you know something very frank of you.
Yep.
The thing is that,
Can you speak up, please? I can't really hear you very well.
Alright, can you hear me now?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. I was just trying to tell you that, okay, we can go ahead, we can help you. And, okay, being frank with you, you have an error, that's the reason it's coming. If it's not there, then definitely I cannot go ahead, I cannot create an error and show you, right? So in a simple words, you have an error.
You're cutting off again. Can you speak louder, please?
Okay, you have an error, you have a warnings in your computer. That's the reason, that's the reason we can show. We are here to go ahead and show you. See, it's your system. We are just guiding you and just letting you know exactly what is the error in your computer. Alright? Now, alright?
Well, you're telling me the error is a virus, and that's just not true. The error is not a virus.
So, I'll tell you what, just give me a quick moment.
Yeah, take your time.
Just give me. Now, I'm just trying to tell you, okay, I believe my rep had explained to you something. Now, take an example. Being frank with you, as he had told you, it's not like that the computer is yours, right? We are just accessing your computer and letting you know exactly what you are facing a problem. Now, in the event viewer, we cannot go ahead, we cannot create any error and critical warnings and warning. We cannot do it. That's only thing is that it is from your side. So that's the reason he showed you. Now, I'll show you something very important. Okay? I'll show you something very important. Just give me a quick moment.
Yeah. You're not even on my computer right now. I don't see you clicking the start button. Are you sure you're assisting the right customer?
Okay. I believe I left it to the remote access of your computer, right, James?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now I believe that this website is open on your side, right, James?
All right.
Right.
Yep.
Okay. Now
Oh yeah,
can
I
you
see you
see this
now.
email here? Okay. Now just give me a quick moment. I'll show you something very important. Okay.
Yeah, show me something important.
Because I won't go ahead and prove you because this is not okay. Can you see this?
Yep.
Can you see this black box? In a simple word, this is the brain of a computer. In a technical words, this is a firewall. Okay. Now, I'll go ahead and diagnose your computer. And exactly, as soon as I diagnose your computer, it will show you that what is coming on your computer, what is there in your computer.
Okay.
Okay. Now I'll show you as soon as I'll diagnose your computer and let you know exactly what is you have problem in your computer.
Okay.
Okay. Now, and as soon as I'll do it for you, okay, as soon as I'll do, what I'll do, I'll just go ahead and give a command on your computer, and here we go. Okay, it will show you the how much files you have in your computer, how much is there, everything. Okay, the lots of files it will be running exactly what is going on. See, it got. Now, can you just read the last two lines for me? Can you just
All right, that's a nice report you've got here. Scan report, virus detected 42%. Trojan Zeus virus found. Virus high risk. Wow. Where did that come from?
so that's reason.
Can you speak up, please? I can't really hear you. It's a kind of a shame. I want to hear better.
Okay, I'm just trying to tell you. Okay, now this is the error which is coming in your computer. Okay,
But where
now
is it
let me
coming
go
from?
ahead. So that is. I'll tell you one thing. You go to a different websites.
I go to lots of
You go to a
websites,
different
especially
right. And do you
very
play
bad
games?
websites.
Do you play games, sir?
Yeah, I play tons of games.
You play games, right?
All
Now,
right.
as you go ahead and you play games, you go to a different website. Okay, your system is completely really very slow, right?
Okay. Well, I like playing this game with you, but let's get back to the important stuff here. This is not a real computer. This is a virtual machine, and it is clean. All right. So there is no virus on there. Whatever you did here is a nice trick, and I'll find out later. But there is no virus here. So what exactly are you trying to do here?
I'm just trying to tell you that you need to have a Microsoft certified technician. I do understand this is a machine. Definitely, machine gets infected. So that's the reason I can tell you that I can just transfer this call to my Microsoft certified technician, and he will start working on your computer. And as soon as he will start working on a computer, everything will be set and done. You know, all right, and everything will be set and done for you. That's what I'm trying to
All
tell
right.
you.
I can't hear you again. You're getting quiet again in the microphone.
I'm just trying. Okay, can you hear me now?
Yeah, you have to speak really loud,
Okay,
otherwise I can't hear you.
I'm just trying to tell you that this errors, the warnings, what you have in your computer, that will be completely clean from your computer. Okay, and the only thing is that it's not like that. Like a local technician can work on computer because this error, the warning, the critical errors, and the information, the errors, everything should be removed from your machine. Machine would be your computer. Okay, and only thing is that because Microsoft certified technician has a different tools to work on your computer. As soon as they will do it, they will run it, and everything will be set in for you. That's what I'm trying to tell you, sir.
All right. So again, I don't know how to put it. You're on something called a virtual machine. Do you know what a virtual machine is?
I know.
You don't know what it is? Oh, I can't hear you again. Can you please speak up?
Yes, I do.
All right, so let me tell you again. This is a virtual machine. It's a clean install of Windows that was made 2 days ago. All right, so there's absolutely no virus on it. It's as clean as soap can be.
I do understand, so that's the reason I'm telling you. It's not like that all the tools, all the virus are 100% protection. You definitely you get it. So being frank with you, if you go to any, so I'll tell you one thing. If you're playing a game and on the right hand side you got a pop-up. Okay, if you can go ahead, you can play this game. It's absolutely free. If you click that, if that game has a virus, if you download that game, so with that game you get a virus also.
All right.
Okay.
Let me ask you something. Your colleague said that you were in New York. Is that correct?
New York State, New York City, and the zip code is 10001.
Do you have a physical address to your building?
Of course, my headquarters are there. It's 365 Tech Hill.
Is it this address here that we see on the screen?
No. It's this. I'll tell you one thing. Our headquarters.
Oh, I can't hear you. Can you speak up again, please?
Okay, headquarters are at my headquarters. It's in New York. That's the reason I can give you the address. It's 333 7th Avenue, 3rd floor, New York State, New York City, 10001.
Okay. Could you type that here? I'm not sure. I do want to do a search
I'll
here.
do it for you.
Yeah,
I'll do it for you.
that'd be great. And you're saying that's your headquarters here, right?
Uh-huh.
Good. So that's where you are right now, right?
It's as I told you, this is our headquarters.
Yeah, okay. Why is it for rent though? Why is it available for rent?
So definitely it's a business. It's not like that.
It's for lease. It looks like there's nobody there right now. It's an office for lease.
Sir, this is the only a pick.
Yeah, I mean I see the picture, but this is a website if you want to rent the place.
So what happened? Then for its lease, then it's fine, right?
Oh, interesting. And how many of you are in this location?
I'm sorry?
How many people are in there?
238.
Holy moly, 238 people. Wow.
238 in one department and second department 259. That goes to a lot, so we have more than 500 crowd.
Wow. All right. So, and yeah, I guess I mean I called the phone number. That's the phone number, the 1-800 number. Do you have any other phone numbers that I could call for that building?
Just this number, that's it.
That's it. Huh. Well. Oh. How did you do that error message with the virus thing? I'm kind of curious now.
I'm sorry.
That error message that displayed, did you write it yourself or how did it appear?
How it possible? You tell me how it possible I will be doing it that.
Connection blocked.
This is the thing is that you have in your computer. That's the reason.
Wow, you can even draw on my computer. Wow. So, what are you telling me? Are these bad things here, those events?
I'm just trying to tell you that you need to do one time at least you need to do a cleanup with your computer, and that's it. And as I told you, the Microsoft certified technician will go ahead and work on your computer.
Okay, I can't really hear you, but can you speak up again?
I'm just trying to tell you that my Microsoft certified technician have a different tools. They will go ahead and they will start working on your computer, and they will completely remove that from your computer.
Right.
Okay.
Right. Do you see the date
So it's
with the
your
events? Did you see the dates on the events? Do you see the 27th and the 25th?
Yes.
This box actually hasn't been used a whole lot because again, it is a virtual machine, and once I power it off, it will be back to its initial state. So I'm sort of puzzled. I mean, I keep telling you stuff and you're countering me every time. You're obviously a good salesman, um, and you're good at that. As far as computer security is concerned, you're not so good, um, because well, what are you doing here? Are you still there?
Yes, I'm there.
All right. No, I was just telling you that as far as computer security is concerned, you're not so good. I'm actually a security researcher myself. So, when I see stuff like this, it makes me cringe a little bit because I know there's a lot of people that, unfortunately, are going to believe what you tell them. And you are a good salesman. There's no denying that. And in this case, going too far is telling things that aren't true, and you know, it's kind of a shame. But anyway, thanks for your time, and hopefully, I will report this company of yours to the proper authorities, and yeah, we'll make sure that hopefully there's other people don't get scammed this that way.
So
So
it's not about a scam. It's about a working because we are working on it. Okay, we are working and it's in hard work. That's it. It's not like that. So being frank with you, if it would be a local company, I had been done. I had been not giving you the my headquarters also. It's a legitimate company. It's not a local company. There is a vast difference between a local company and a legitimate company. That's the reason. Okay. That's the reason we do. Otherwise, if I have to do a scam, I'd been took the information first. Then I'd been told you that okay, so and so is error in your computer. If you're not interested, no issues. I'll not force you to go and get that. It's totally your decision. So
yeah,
okay.
and that's the thing. I think that's really important here. You're right in that, it is my decision to make the decision to say, okay, um, I want to fix my computer. I'm going to pay the money. Um, but again, this is a decision I want to make based on true information, not on things that are wrong, right? Um, if you give me false information, then my decision is going to be tainted, right? If you tell me my computer has some serious issues, well, while it doesn't, um,
Please work on your computer. So I'll not tell you anything. Just I'll let you know that please work on your computer, and that's it. If you're not interested, I'll definitely not go ahead and yeah, if you don't want to go ahead and get a help from us, so I'll definitely not force you to go and get that, but I'll just request you that please work on your computer. Okay, that's it.
that's very kind of you. Thank you,
All
sir,
right,
for your time.
all right, sir.
Okay,
Thank you. God bless.
bye bye.